Y'all see what's going on. This thing jacked up. Went to events and got some piping. Hopefully this ain't gonna make it sound raspy or like ass. Got this shit made all together. I'm gonna include the part numbers and what do you call this shit? Part numbers and sizes. This is 1.25. This is an adapter. It kind of slides over just enough for me to weld it in place where I want it at. And chop the tips off of the stock Subaru muffler, just enough for me to slide a adapter in there, and I'll be able to weld that up good. That inner lip. I know it looks like that, but bear with me. Then you stick that in there. The only thing I'm really tripping about is the size of the pipe. I really want a 3-inch, but if it sounds like ass, I'll just go back in and redo it. I was running just straight muffler delete. See, this shit was burning the fucking pin rope. It looked way crazier on camera because you can see better. But that shit, let me get some light. See that shit? So much room you got back here. It's almost like a foot, maybe a foot and a half, from right there all the way to here. And that heat was just blowing straight over there, so I knew it was gonna happen, but I just really like the way it sounds with a muffler delete. So let's get to it, man. Alright, I got the gasket back on there. It just looks like this right here. It slides on there like so. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and just tighten it up a bit so you can really gauge where I want the pipe to come out at. See if I gotta do any adjustments, which most likely I will have to.
G6K.
Alright, this part right here, I'm just tacking up the what do you call that motherfucker? The pipe that's coming through the tip that I chopped off of the factory muffler. I'm welding the wall of that to the inside wall of the muffler because it's, what do you call it? It's like double walled. So even if you do burn through it, it'll still look good on the outside. But what I was doing was just tacking it up around the wall, just going from there. It's definitely not falling off if you get a good tack on it. So I wasn't going too crazy right here because it was kind of thin metal on the tips. But yeah, that's pretty much it. the video, but damn, I'm trying to get my light. Show y'all the what the fuck was that? My hangers are, come on, focus, 5/8 wrenches, and that shit is not moving. See, I'm pulling on it and shit. Focus, pulling. This side too. That one moves a bit, but it ain't dirty. I mean, damn, it ain't going nowhere. The reason I did have to re-weld this one because there were dirt out there and I was drifting this shit in some mud. That's why you see kind of like that dirt up in the corner on one side. But she cool, she cool.
G6K.